Do you like to know the biggest difference between when you go get hair topper fitting consultation at a professional versus buying certain things online? I would like to help you with that question. I've done this for a very, very long time, and the biggest difference I see is we are able to save you a lot of time, money, and heartache by finding you the right fit. This is how I do it at the salon. I have about maybe 35, 40, 45, maybe different type of a topper, different lengths, colors, textures, different size of base. I have mono, I have some silk, I have some lace, and everyone is different. The problem, or I would say challenge that I see that you can't ever capture that on the videos or on pictures is everyone's head is different. Head shape is different. The coverage that you need might vary. One person needs a smaller topper, one person needs a bigger topper. You might need a longer length. Matching color, it's huge. And if you have multiple colors in your hair, you need different type of colors on your hair toppers. How fit and like how much hair you need on a hair topper, or how you need to blend it with the front, learning how to place it. You won't learn any of these when you look at a manufacturer or when you get an online consultation, or you're using their sales people to fit you to the right topper. Every once in a while, yes, you might be able to find something that work and fit you properly and perfectly, but most times than not, when you go to a professional, they can guarantee that you're not going through the heartache and all the money of ordering and reordering many different things that you have to do on your own. If you have any other experience and you would like to add that to the comment below, I would truly appreciate, and this way we're able to share that with our community. At our salon, we always address a lot of the questions and challenges that our guests have, whether it would be hair loss related, extension related, style related, and we're able to help and assist you in the salon and sometimes away from the salon by our communication. If you have any question, put that below. I would love to answer that for you. Other than that, I will see you next time on the next video, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye.